Good evening, friends. Let's just jump right into this. We're going to start off by oiling a crock pot. This is one of my favorite crock pot meals. It is so delicious. We are going to add 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken breast to the crock pot. Mine are frozen. You can use frozen, you can use thawed out chicken breast, either way. Add 2 cans of cream of chicken. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. We are just going to mix this up right in that crock pot. Add half of a yellow onion diced. Add 2 heaping teaspoons of minced garlic. A half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now let's give this another really good mix, and then we are going to set our temperature on our crock pot to low and cook this for 8 hours all day long. Or you can cook this on high for about 3 hours. About 7 hours in, I went ahead and I shredded my chicken. If you are cooking this on high for 3 hours, about 30 minutes before that 3 hours is up, you're going to want to shred your chicken. Once you've shredded your chicken, we are going to go ahead and put some spaghetti on to cook and just follow the instructions on the package. Back to our crock pot, we are going to add a half a cup of the sour cream to the crock pot. I don't recommend adding the sour cream in the beginning. I always kind of wait towards the end because it can curdle, and we don't want it to do that. And then we're going to put our cheese in. You can use 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, or you can do what I'm doing. I have an 8-ounce block of mild cheddar cheese, and I'm just cutting this into thin slices and dropping it in there. I'm not going to break out my shredder for this. It's so much easier this way. And then if you'll just stir it and just keep stirring, that cheese will melt. And then once your cheese is melted, we're going to grab that pasta. It should be done. And we are going to put our pasta into the crock pot. Then we are going to incorporate our spaghetti noodles right into that yummy sauce. And voila, dinner is ready to be served. This is a family favorite, and it's so easy to make.